Welcome to Pure Vital Life, where we uncover the true secrets to maintaining youthful energy and strong joints well beyond 60. For decades, we have been told that joint pain is simply the inevitable result of aging, like a car tire wearing out. This mechanical wear and tear theory suggests that the more you use your joints, the more they will eventually break down. However, this comparison is fundamentally flawed because your body is living tissue capable of regeneration. Unlike a piece of rubber, your joints are dynamic biological structures designed to last a lifetime if they receive the proper signals and essential nutrients. Today, we are going to completely shift your mindset and explore the real biological reasons why your joints start to hurt. We will move beyond the old myths and introduce you to a new scientific understanding of joint health and longevity. From hidden cellular enemies to the power of static movement, get ready to discover a comprehensive plan for pain-free living. To understand the root cause, we must look deep inside at the cellular level, where the real trouble often begins silently. Meet the zombie cells, also known scientifically as senescent cells, which have stopped dividing but refuse to die off naturally. Instead of leaving the body, these cells linger and secrete inflammatory chemicals that degrade your healthy cartilage and surrounding tissues. This chronic inflammation is the true enemy, creating a hostile environment where your joints cannot repair themselves effectively anymore. As we age, our immune system becomes less efficient at clearing these zombie cells, allowing them to accumulate and cause damage. Another critical factor is circulation, specifically the microcirculation in the tiny capillaries that feed your joint tissues with oxygen. Over time, these microscopic blood vessels can wither away, effectively starving your cartilage of the nutrients it desperately needs to survive. Without a steady supply of blood, the joint tissue dries out and becomes brittle, making it much more susceptible to injury. This biological starvation, combined with cellular inflammation, creates the perfect storm for chronic pain, stiffness, and limited mobility. Now, let us evaluate common methods people use to fix this. First, many turn to aggressive stretching to loosen up. While flexibility is good, forcing cold, stiff joints into deep stretches can actually trigger a protective reflex that causes more tightness. Stretching immediately after waking up, when your body is dehydrated and stiff, poses a significant risk of injury to ligaments. And it is much better to perform gentle dynamic movements to warm up the synovial fluid before attempting any deep static stretches. Walking is often prescribed as a cure-all, but the surface you choose to walk on makes a massive difference. Pounding the pavement or concrete sidewalks sends harsh impact forces directly up through your ankles, knees, and into your hips. Whenever possible, choose softer surfaces like grass, dirt trails, or a treadmill with shock absorption to protect your cartilage. Many people rely on painkillers like ibuprofen to get through the day, but this is merely masking the symptoms, not healing. Long-term use of these anti-inflammatory drugs can lead to serious stomach issues and may actually inhibit cartilage repair processes. What about supplements? Glucosamine and collagen are popular, but scientific studies show inconsistent results regarding their ability to rebuild joints. While they might offer mild relief for some, they are certainly not a magic bullet that can reverse years of degeneration. So, what is the real solution? The answer lies in a specific type of training called isometric exercises. Isometrics involve contracting your muscles without moving the joint, creating tension that strengthens the tissue safely and effectively. Unlike traditional weightlifting that grinds the joint, isometrics allow you to load the muscle without causing friction on the cartilage. This static tension creates internal pressure that pumps nutrient-rich synovial fluid into the cartilage, acting like a natural lubricant. Let's try a simple, powerful isometric exercise for the knees, that you can do right now while sitting on a chair. Sit upright and extend one leg out, but keep a slight bend in the knee. Do not lock it out completely. Now, tighten your thigh muscle as hard as you can without moving your leg. Imagine you are trying to straighten it. Hold this maximum tension for about 10 to 15 seconds. You should feel the muscle working, but no pain in the joint. Release the tension slowly. This simple action strengthens the support system around your knee without grinding the bones together. Repeating this daily signals your body to reinforce the tendons and ligaments, providing a natural brace for your aging joints. You can apply this same principle to any joint. Pushing against a wall for shoulder pain is another excellent isometric variation. The key is high effort with zero movement. This is the safest way to build strength when you are already in pain. Now that we have addressed movement, we must fuel the repair process with the right chemistry through your daily nutrition. The Mediterranean diet is widely considered the gold standard for reducing whole-body inflammation and supporting long-term cardiovascular health. Specifically, we want to target those zombie cells we mentioned earlier using a powerful natural compound called Fisetin. Fisetin, found abundantly in strawberries and apples, acts as a senolytic, meaning it helps your body eliminate senescent cells. By clearing out these old toxic cells, Fisetin reduces the inflammatory load on your joints, allowing healthy tissue to thrive. Another superhero compound is quercetin, which is found in onions, garlic, and various nuts. It is a potent anti-inflammatory. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals provides a constant stream of healing compounds that fight pain from the inside out. Aim for a diet rich in plants and healthy fats, while minimizing processed sugars that fuel the fires of inflammation. Do not forget hydration. Your cartilage is mostly water, and staying hydrated is essential for maintaining its shock-absorbing properties. By combining isometric strengthening with a senolytic-rich diet, you are attacking the problem from both mechanical and biological angles. Imagine waking up in the morning without that familiar stiffness, ready to move freely and enjoy your day to the fullest. It is not about turning back the clock, but about giving your body the right tools to repair and maintain itself. You have the power to take control of your joint health. It starts with small, consistent changes in how you move and eat. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Do your isometrics daily and choose anti-inflammatory foods at every meal for the best results. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. We can all build a future where aging does not have to mean suffering. Your body is an amazing, resilient vessel. Treat it with wisdom and care, and it will serve you well for years. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. We hope you feel empowered to start your transformation today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest health insights. This is Pure Vital Life, wishing you strength, vitality, and a life full of movement. Take care and see you soon. Remember, the key to the isometric exercise is high tension with absolutely zero movement. Safety is always your top priority. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have severe existing joint conditions. Healing takes time and patience. Be kind to yourself during this process and celebrate every small improvement you notice. Science is constantly evolving, and we are committed to bringing you the most up-to-date research on longevity and wellness. Keep track of your progress. Note down what foods make you feel best and how your joints feel after exercises. Variety is key. Rotate your fruits and vegetables to ensure you are getting a full spectrum of protective antioxidants. Deep sleep is when your body performs its most critical repair work. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of rest. Every day is a new opportunity to make choices that support your biology rather than fighting against it. Invest in good footwear that supports your arches and cushions your steps. Your foundation affects everything up the chain. The ultimate goal of joint health is not just pain relief, but the freedom to enjoy precious moments with loved ones. Picture yourself walking through life with confidence, knowing your body is strong enough to carry you wherever you want to go. It does not happen overnight, but with consistency, the body's ability to heal and adapt is truly nothing short of miraculous. What is good for your joints is usually good for your heart and brain, too. It is all interconnected. Breathe deeply, move intentionally, and nourish your body wisely. You are building a fortress of health for your future self. We are honored to be a part of your wellness journey. Stay curious, stay active, and keep striving for your best life. Thank you for watching Pure Vital Life. Subscribe for more health wisdom, and remember, your best years are still ahead.